Here's a typical day for a data team. Sales asks for a revenue report. Marketing wants the same thing, but in their own format. Finance wants different filters. Product wants a different breakdown. Now, you've got 5 separate requests, all for the same metric. So, you write 5 SQL queries, and soon, every team is looking at a different revenue number. The data team is stuck maintaining them all, while the business debates which number is right. With OWOX Data Marts, you define revenue once, in one central place. The data team writes the SQL, sets the definition, adds business-friendly aliases, and documents it. Then sales, marketing, finance, and product all pull their own reports from the same source, applying their own filters, but never changing the logic. Need to adjust the calculation globally? Update it once in OWOX, click Save, and every dashboard updates instantly. What would happen if one change could update every report across every team instantly? OWOX Data Marts keeps metrics consistent, reports aligned, and your team out of the endless SQL rework cycle. Stop rebuilding the same report 5 times. Manage it once, share it everywhere. Try OWOX Data Marts free today.